High above the clouds, in the vertical world of the Rocky Mountains, lives a creature that defies gravity. This is the realm of the mountain goat. They are the world's ultimate climbers. Their secret? Specialized hooves with a hard outer shell and a rubbery, slip-resistant center that grips like a climbing shoe. To endure the brutal alpine winter, they wear a double-layered coat.
A dense underwool traps heat, while long, hollow guard hairs repel the freezing snow.
In a landscape where a single misstep is fatal, the mountain goat thrives where no other creature dares to tread, a master of the peaks.